Robbie now just warming up, just settling down, and then he'll be back into his usual pattern of flight. Right down the flight line, nice red flag. Marcle roll onto its side and holding the rudder on to support the aircraft. The rudder is at that point acting as the elevator, and the elevator is providing the directional control. Smoke system on. Slow pass, see what comes next. Straight into the vertical with the stall turn off the top. Multiple rolls into the rolling circle, and you hear him flipping the engine, and what that's doing is helping the aircraft to roll. Something called torque is what is effectively rolling that aeroplane, assisted by the ailerons. And in the rolling circle, we've got our directional control, so that's been provided. All four controls, the engine, the ailerons, the rudder and elevator, all being used in harmony to achieve that manoeuvre. Now into the prop hang, so it's supporting the weight of the aeroplane with the thrust from the propeller. Rolling and then off into the knife edge again. A couple of normal circuits now. These aeroplanes with big control movements are incredible aerobatic performers. But if you reduce the control movements by significant amounts, they become quite a docile, easy to fly aeroplane. And just a nice slow fly past, just demonstrating how slowly these aircraft can fly. And now into a spinning descent. And the worst thing up there now is the sunshine right in their eyes now. And back into the knife edge. Notice the authority of the elevator there, just kick the aircraft into a right angle turn effectively, and now controlling the turn with elevator, rudder, keeping the aeroplane flat. So a little bit opposite rudder to whatever aileron it's got. And now into the prop line. Tail of the aeroplane no more than about 2 feet above the grass now. And the wind chili bag, I think would be appropriate to say. And there we are, an end at its feet to a perfect flight. Robbie Skippon, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for a very professional performance.